I thought I'd just give you the last few minutes of my drive from my parents' house to the homestead. This is what I see every day. This is for my beautiful wife. I'll get to see this. Karowi nie kada ulicy. Road, Mitchell Road. Oh. The stop. Fix the camera. Nature. Okay, that's better. Хорошо. Прямо это для мусора. Надо платить. Guinea fowl with little keats, babies. Very nice. Onion kusher, but no got insects. And here is our mailbox. Nasha Post. Nasha Homestead. That's it. Time for work. Boom. Morning, folks. I got the first run of Reflectix on. Unfortunately, the stapler that I was using, which was working quite well for the first 2 minutes, died on me, or it jammed up and I can't get it unjammed. So I'm going to have to buy another one at Harbor Freight and see if that doesn't work better. So I had to get small strips of wood and put them across. Let's see if I can get underneath here. Yeah, like that little strap right there, just to hold it up, which is going to make it kind of difficult to put the half-inch hardware cloth on underneath the Reflectix. So we'll have to see what happens. I've got a little bit of a bow here, but a lot of that can be taken out when I put the strapping up. Put this on. I think I'm going to cut 2 stringers to do this side and do that. Cut 2 stringers for there, and that's probably going to be it for today. It's threatening to rain, so I want to get packed up before the rain starts. So I mentioned that I had a 3-way hose splitter the other day, and now I actually, well, I did have 3 tools that I could use 3 hoses, except the pneumatic stapler died. It's a little Coleman PowerMate. I didn't overpressure it. It was well within the maximum rated pressure for the tool, which all 3 tools will operate on the same pressure, so that's really nice. It's nice when it works. So I'll get another little pneumatic stapler, brad nailer combination kind of thingy, and we'll hit it again. I've got plenty of staples. I can't imagine running out. Maybe I can find some more. We'll see. Anyway, that's where we're at for today. I'm going to do a couple more staples, do a wrap-up section, and that'll be it. Back in a bit. Well, I think I forgot to do the wrap-up video before I wrapped up. But anyway, I am wrapped up. All I have to do is close the door on the tool shed. But there is a 3rd pair of stringers all the way down. Got everything tarped over, and still don't have the wire mesh put on the bottom. I'm gonna have to get another stapler and figure out what's wrong with this other one. It'd be nice to have 2. But for now, I got some tires holding everything down, and we should be good to go. Hopefully this week we'll have stringers on, and I can start putting the decking up, which is 3/4 inch tongue and groove. I believe it's OSB, oriented strand. I don't know why they didn't have any regular plywood, but that's what they had, and that's what I ordered. So there we have it. I'm locking up, heading out. Got to run up to the big city and get another stapler, and then it'll be time for some lunch. Later.